Epasase atwa. Ono di afi East Ide. Oh yes, strongo there. Ebetu minya sase bibi go Estate Land Act at this year city. Krampan. Oben Calf University. In a dodo wasoso. Oben government hospital no full plus 70 by 100. First no ye 16,000. Say the water do about 10,000 Ghana cedis. In a half plot 50 by 70. No ye 8,000 cedis. In a water do about 5,500 Ghana cedis. Dodo full plot 70 by 100. First no ye 30,000 cedis. Say the water do about 22,000 Ghana cedis. Half plot 16,000 cedis. In a water do about 12,000 Ghana cedis. Litigation free. And a kwana betuma treat them assassin Canada. Monsuru kra. Mambohun. We treat assassin so kama. Carlo Kwanso so didemu kama. Free site plan and an indenture for first 50 customers our web assassin do. Fast development area. A betuma free forever construction limited. That was 0501 204040. Another is 0509 999828. Forever construction. Forever yours.
I had a singular honor to sit with $1 million babe in her $1 million mansion with $1 million all red towel and red high heel. My name is Zionfelix. My name is Feli Nuna. He said yo nam kuma na towel nkoa na odi etwanimu. Me mpa de bia me bone say if I be bo nkuma say so nam kuma leja. Yeah niska I go to bright price no. Enya free show. Good morning.
Good morning. Onyo.
Oh,
so from an emboda.
Time from an
emboda.
I'm not fasting fasting and prayers.
I'm fasting time in blow. Enya me say me towel.
And God listens to most of our prayers.
Yeah, he does.
Yes, so that prayer I'm sure will ever happen.
Okay, let's see. The way you guys are praying that I should fall me, so I'm praying that it's more secure. So let's see whose prayers will win.
Yeah. But sorry. Are you a Christian?
I'm Christian. And no, I'm quite sorry because I had media yesterday and me I'm quite sorry.
Okay, when last did you enter a church auditorium?
It's been a while.
Like the whole year, quite sorry.
Oh no, this year I'm quite sorry. But I don't. But I've not been most Sundays because of work. But God is in my heart.
So you cherish the work more than God?
No, God is in my heart. So I don't need to go into a building, a structure to be able to experience God. Yeah.
So you're not the people who really believe say young
yeah, I believe that. Because also it's in your behavior, how you act, how you treat other people, and how you also work on yourself and grow yourself. That is what like religion and spirituality means to me. And yes, say obekwa sorry keke every Sunday. No, and kwafo bebe kwa sorry Sunday now. So they are one of the wickedest people in the world, you know.
But
so
people do believe that. I mean, you have to go to church Monday to Sunday is also the best. Them.
Once you are going to church Monday to Sunday and you are practicing what you are learning, first of all, you need to know that you are going to a good church, that they are teaching you the good things about God, like the right things about God, and you are also practicing what the Bible says. Then you are good.
Sorry, what you do?
Sorry, a couple of them, like 3.
3 churches?
Yes.
What you do?
Yes.
So you pay tithe to all of them?
Yes, I pay tithe.
Do you believe in tithing?
Yes, I believe in
Do you believe in
tithing.
prophecies?
Yes, I believe in prophecies.
Do you believe Jesus Christ is the Son of God?
Yes.
Okay, so you believe everything in the Bible?
Not everything, but I believe I believe most things.
Which are the things that you don't believe?
Yeah, I'll leave that for later, but that's a deeper. You see, I don't want to with this thing come inside.
So who's going to see airport? Too much money for Feli Nuna.
I say amen. No.
Amen. Too much money.
Amen.
Yeah. So back to
yes.
what we were talking about.
Yeah. So what were we talking about?
We're talking about the fact that you don't believe certain things in the Bible.
Yeah, I was saying that I don't think I'll have enough time to remove, and I don't want
to.
Just
also pointers.
No, me can explain it, but there won't be time. Until next time, another conversation.
Just one.
Another conversation.
Just one.
Another conversation.
But do you believe in everything in the Old Testament?
Another time.
I saw something on, I think, TikTok. You see me, I'm the latest TikToker.
Hey.
Follow me at Zionfelix. I saw something on TikTok where people were saying that the Adam and Eve story was actually not apple that we see.
Yeah.
But like them not having sex. Have you heard that?
I've not heard that. I mean, there are so many versions, so many things that people are saying, but I believe that the Bible, as much as you read it, it's a piece of literature, and everything isn't as clear and as blunt as you may read and see. There are metaphors and there are proverbs in it, and you need to read and then understand and experience it for yourself. So I always say that Christianity is not just about what you read and what the Bible says, it's about your personal experience with God.
People say Christ wasn't a Christian.
He was a Jew?
No, because Christianity came after him. On the throne, so he wasn't a Christian.
No, said but with that mandate.
Okay.
But with that mandate, you can't say nipa na nyame soma na say ombe establish Christianity in the world. No, nye Christian.
Is Feli Nuna a Christian? Let me ask again.
Yeah, she's a Christian.
Staunch Christian or half?
Staunch Christian.
Staunch Christian.
Staunch Christian.
The Bible talks against tattoos.
Yes, that's in the Old Testament. No.
Okay, so you practice the New Testament.
I practice the parts of the Bible that relate to me, that are part of my personal journey. Okay. I believe.
So you believe the Bible talks against tattoos?
Yeah, there are some verses that they've said some things. There are lots of things that the Bible has.
But do you believe in that? Do you take that?
That's
in practicing.
That would like tattoos aren't good.
Yeah.
No.
So,
I don't believe in that.
So you don't believe in
like
that
tattoos.
aspect of the Bible?
No. As I told you, there is some.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't believe in it?
And yesterday, like I believe, like I'm very, very practical person.
Okay.
Into like what's wrong with tattoos? How is it hurting the next person? Well, that's how I am. I like my religion. As much as I'm a Christian, my main religion is love, and I believe that that's what Christianity encompasses. I mean, of course, but if I'm putting tattoos on my body, the pain, I even feel it. So I'm not doing anything to the world. I'm not hurting anyone.
But you're harming yourself.
I'm not harming myself. It didn't hurt. It doesn't hurt me.
Do you believe in marriage?
Yes, I believe in
marriage. Will you marry one day?
Of course. Amen. With twins.
Okay.
Bless me, guys.
Are you in a haste to marry?
No, I'm not in a haste.
Are you under pressure to marry?
No, I'm not under pressure.
How old are you?
Why do you want to know?
My
birthday is Friday, so you can do your research. It's on Google, but I won't tell you. So go and do your research.
Okay, let's go on Google. If you go on Google, you see that her name is
Felicia.
Yeah.
Nuna
Kusia Tewia.
Yes.
I'm almost 31 years. Is that true?
Am I? Hey, I'm older than that.
You're older than 31 years.
No, I'm actually turning 32 this Friday.
32 this Friday.
Yes. When will this air?
Before your 32nd
yes,
birthday.
So wish me happy birthday, guys.
What's your birthday
send me
wish?
Gifts.
Yeah, what's your birthday wish?
I want to blow up. I want to blow up the whole world. I want to blow and make money.
Okay.
Yes, that's my wish.
What is your wish? Your biggest wish?
I want a Porsche Cayenne. Yeah, I want a Porsche Cayenne. I also want a MacBook. Okay. Also a laptop. Okay. And then my phone is a 12 Pro Max. I want a 13 Pro Max.
1 terabyte.
1 terabyte. That's yeah, right. I think those are the 3 things that I think I want.
You have a boyfriend?
Hey, this man. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, you're married, right?
I'm not married.
To sister
I'm not married.
You're not married.
Yeah.
But she's what?
So you have a boyfriend?
Hey, this man. Yeah, I do.
Okay, so he can you afford that? The Porsche Cayenne?
Yes, he can. Okay. He can afford that. But please, no.
Not him?
Not him. I want it from someone else, because if he's spending it on me, it is my money. It's still coming out of my money.
How? Are you the one feeding him?
No, but I'm the one chopping his money.
So how is it coming from your money?
Because his money is my money. So if right now if he goes to buy a Porsche Cayenne out of his money, he could have used that money to buy something else for me.
But it is something.
But if I can get a Porsche Cayenne from somewhere else, why not?
Getting a Porsche Cayenne or a MacBook or something of like 12 Pro Max from somewhere else
13 Pro
Max might be disastrous to you. Because
why?
a guy giving you that
well, it'll be a problem. Why, guys? Why do you guys get jealous so easily? Like, why? Why is there a problem?
In return of Porsche Cayenne, I mean, what does the person get?
The person loves me. The person is a fan. Don't roll your eyes. The person is a fan. The person loves me. You don't know. The Nigerians, they've been dashing their assistants. You don't do that.
And they get nothing in return?
What? No, they don't. I don't know. I'm sure, like, just the love, out of the love for the artist.
Okay. So
or the actress.
So somebody dashes you Porsche Cayenne, nothing in return?
No. Okay, what does the person want in return? I'm sure if someone dashes me a Porsche Cayenne, the person will obviously become my friend. Okay. So that friendship will build. Yeah.
I'll be back after the break. A better conversation. So my name is Zionfelix.
Have you wondered why you never seem to have enough money? You work hard, so it is not for a lack of effort. I'll tell you a secret. It is because you are an employee. You work for someone else. And as an employee, you will never make enough. This is how the system has been built all over the world, and your complaints, fortunately, will not change it. Your only solution is to become a business owner too. This is why I present to you the opportunity to run your own online business. Our online business is easy to run because 95% of the work has already been done for you. This is why thousands of people have been able to use our system to generate extra income in their spare times from the comfort of their bedrooms. If you can understand this message, then this opportunity is for you, because we have coaches and mentors who will hold your hand and guide you through every step of your journey towards your financial freedom. If you desire change and want to know more, reach out to us on the website and WhatsApp number you see on your screen, and we will be happy to answer all your questions.
Welcome back. My name is Feli Nuna. Before I left, you was birthday wish. No, say you want to blow.
Yes.
When you're depression because of that issue.
No, me not depression
like
because of
that.
Yeah, I've been depressed before. Okay. Like my serious case of depression was when I went to Greece, and I went to Greece for 2 weeks, and the first week I had such an amazing time because I was staying on an island. My hotel was just by the beach, like I was in pure bliss. And then the next week I decided to pass by the capital, Athens, and I stayed in Syntagma. And the day I got to Syntagma, 2 young boys, small boys, like children, like 12, 13 years, they came to swindle my phone, my new 12 Pro Max last year. And it really bashed me because I had created so much content on my phone, and I took so much content when I went to the island. So, bro, like, it really took a toll on me. I spent my whole time in Athens going to the ghettos to try and connect with the boys, to try and get my phone and things. So I came back to Ghana. I had like a 2-week depression. I was home. I was not going anywhere. Oh no, because I know Nyame Bre is the
what do you think is the problem?
The most. The problem with what?
About, blowing like how you expected.
I feel like it's gradual, I'm popular, yes, but I have high expectations of myself. So where I want to reach that, I'll know that yes, I have blown. I know in my heart, Drew Hoye, and I'm just hoping that like with time it will happen. And I've been very inconsistent in my career. I'm sorry. It's because I've been trying to find a good team and good structure, and just
so
make sure that
wasn't a good team
okay.
for you?
They came and they did their part. They came and they did their part, but unfortunately they couldn't take me to the next phase.
Were you impressed with what they did?
Yeah, I was. They did what they could, and I appreciate them, and I'm very grateful for what they did.
What happened for you guys to go your separate ways?
My contract ended. So my contract ended, and I valued, I weighed their value and their contribution to my career, and I felt that I could do better. So I got some offers from some record deals and record labels at that time, and Fuse was one of them. And Fuse is a friend, like an old-time friend. So I decided this was a safe space for me to continue my career.
Were they happy when you were leaving?
No, they were not.
So why didn't you stay with them?
Because it's not about their happiness, it's about my happiness.
But it got to a point where you were thinking about your happiness. Why didn't you think about their happiness at that point in time?
Because at the point where they were thinking about my happiness, I was also thinking about their happiness, and we're working together to make each other happy. But I got to a point that they were not making me, or at the end of the contract, I knew for myself that this is what is better for me. So I can't stay because of somebody else's feelings. I have to move. And they're okay now. I mean, my manager actually, my former manager came and apologized to me for some things that he did, and some things that the reasons why I wanted to leave, right? He didn't understand then, but later on he understood and actually came and apologized to me. And that was a full circle moment for me, and I was very happy.
So are you guys okay now?
Yeah, we are very okay. We are very, very okay. Like, we are good.
You talk
But the
to
only
Noah?
thing, no, I do. I was with No 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
Yeah, we're on set of Wano's video, Day My Mind video. So, yeah, features RC. And RC was my label mate when I was at Beehive. Yeah, so but now, I've left, so they are focusing more on RC now, so that's good. So yeah, but when I left, they took my YouTube account. No,
Yeah,
they took my YouTube, and I had to create a new YouTube.
Yeah, I've
but
seen
it's
it.
okay. It's okay.
So guys, check out her new YouTube channel, Feli Nuna.
Yes,
that's
Feli
where
Nuna.
the towel video is.
Yes,
you go on the
yes.
towel issue, but before now, I have a lot of things to.
Wait, let me say something. So when you search my name on YouTube, right, Feli Nuna, because most of my videos are on my former record label's page, my former record label, it was Feli Nuna first, but when I left, they changed the name to their record
Beehive.
label, Beehive. Okay. So you need to scroll down, and then that's when you see my Feli Nuna page, and then subscribe to that one. A lot of people make the mistake, and then they keep subscribing to the Beehive. So please.
So just search for Feli Nuna.
Yeah.
That's the channel that will come because the video is on my new channel.
Yes.
So just search for Feli Nuna Towel. That's the song title, Towel. And who has him? Yes. I have a lot of things to talk about. Before you came to ODG Records, when you were with Beehive Entertainment, you did a song. I don't know whether it is released or as of now still released here with Sean and Salasi.
Yes. Hey, this guy. Where did you get that information from?
But yeah, like.
That's why I told you that you're the blogger's blogger. Hey. This one is inside scoops.
Were you okay with not this new contract, that contract for that particular record?
No, I wasn't okay with it at that time. So that's how come I also didn't push. But that song is a beautiful song though. We actually shot the video and all. And I think it was just not the right time. It was just not the right time. So it didn't happen. Yeah.
What was in the contract that you weren't happy about?
That one, dear, I signed an NDA, so I cannot give the details, yes, but yeah. Okay,
so what made you sign to ODG? By the way, ODG is owned by Fuse ODG.
Yeah, Fuse ODG, one and only. Tina.
You didn't like earlier contracts, but new contracts.
No, I didn't say I didn't like earlier contracts. I said, I didn't want to renew because I felt
the song by ODG Records.
No, but that song wasn't. That was just a song. It wasn't a record deal. Yeah. And with this particular contract with ODG, I actually like my lawyers. Shout out to Cynthia Kwaku and CQ Legal. They negotiated my terms. They helped me negotiate my terms, and it was over a long period. Actually, it was. Hey, sorry, I thought my phone was on silent.
No problem.
So it was actually over a long period of back and forth. So I made sure that it was a deal that was good for me, And I chose ODG first of all, my relationship with Fuse, and knowing he's been there, done that. So I know that this is someone that can hold my hand and then push me globally. And secondly, the creative space, I get the chance to be, I'm in a towel. Some other label wouldn't have allowed me to do that. And also with the kind of music that I want to do, he gives me the freedom to be able to sing, rap, shout, scream, like express myself. And that's what I've always wanted as an artist.
How many years?
I can't say. I'm not at liberty to say.
Yes.
Yes, I'm not at liberty to say.
Because even number of years country in Canada.
Oh no, I'm not at liberty to say, but it's a long-term relationship. Okay. Yeah, but we'll keep renewing the contract.
What is he doing for Feli Nuna?
He's promoting the Feli Nuna brand and vision. Simple as that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he takes care of recording and all that?
Yeah, recording. We have an in-house studio.
Okay.
My producers are also here. Shout out to Shawes BM. He produced Towel. Lex is also here. Richie is also here on the team. So, we have our resources that we use. The label finances my day-to-day activities, my projects, videos. Yeah, so it's just a record label. Yeah.
So is this the house he gave you?
No, this is not the house he gave me. This is not my house.
Oh, so.
Yeah. This is not my house.
It's a beautiful house.
It's a very beautiful house.
Unyanka boy there.
Anka me dia, why my boy dia? Like
Anka
really Zion? What would it be for my boyfriend and not me?
So
But I want a bigger house. I want a bigger house.
Than this?
Yes. I want a bigger house.
But it should be like 10 bedroom.
It's quite a lot of bedrooms, but I want a bigger house.
So if I say
Because my family, we are plenty. Yeah.
Like a extended family or nuclear family?
My nuclear family, we are plenty. My siblings we are 12. Yeah.
So
I'm the lucky number 7.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have cousins and yeah. So
how many kids do you want yourself?
I want a set of twins, maybe 2 sets of twins.
That'll be 4 kids.
Yeah, or maybe a set of twins and then one other.
Okay.
Yes.
It's what choir for?
Makwa 4.
Oh, okay.
Makwa 4.
Okay. Let's come to Tao.
Yes.
What brought the inspiration?
So towel is about self-care and self-love. Wow, Nim say there are so many issues and so much stress and just pressure in the system right now. So I just wanted to put out some good energy that would remind people to love themselves and take care of themselves. So it's just about self-care, self-love. Make sure that you take time for yourself. You prioritize your mental health. Like you love yourself, because if you don't love yourself, you can't love another person. So just love yourself. Take care of yourself. That's just.
Do you remember the lines of your song Galawi?
Yes.
Give me some lines on it. I'm from some next question.
Once upon a time, I met a guy. Swag from head to toe, he dressed fly. Looking at him at the corner of my eye like a spy Charlie. Oh boy, I won't die. Walked up to me, he said he want my digits. Looking for a pass to my heart. Take your ticket. My heart shrunk, body looking like a midget. So I gave it all up without a tickets. So he called. He took me to Frankie's. I down on the weekends. Then to Kempinski. The guy even introduced me to his aunties. So now he wanted to get in my panties. So one night it happened. It went down. We spoiled the whole town. Now at the funny amu, see a 10 clown. I say there mean Galawi boy.
Yeah. So just watch the video on YouTube, Galawi. I quite the concept of Tao is like Galawi.
Yes, it's me speaking to my girls. So Galawi was me speaking to my girls, and it was a younger audience with Galawi, because I was preaching safe sex during Galawi, and that I was also younger at that time, so it mattered to me. But now I'm grown and I'm speaking to even the young ones and a more older audience that you need to take care of yourself. As you are working 9 to 5, you're running your business, you're taking care of the kids. I mean, your boss is giving you pressure. Like, just breathe in and just take that moment for yourself. So,
are you a feminist?
Yeah, I'm a feminist.
Strong one?
Strong feminist, but I'm not. A lot of people get the idea of feminism wrong. That we want to oppose men and fight men. No. It's just for a chance for women to be seen and also experience equal rights as men. That's all.
Can it ever happen?
It's a gradual process.
Will it ever get there?
Yes, it will.
I mean, God created a man before a woman, so I mean, it can never happen.
Yes, but there are some things, like for example, one of the things that feminists push for are equal wages.
Okay.
So if we are doing the same job and we are working the same hours, we need to get paid the same. So then that's just it.
Feli wants to charge same way as Sarkodie or Fuse or DG?
Feli wants to
charge same amount of money as Fuse or Sarkodie?
Of course, even more.
Okay.
Even more. It's not about them, it's about me and my value.
Okay.
And then how big my brand is, which is going to be so big though. So guys, get your money ready, because December, even from now. So.
Give me a cappella of Tao.
Okay. Jumping out of the shower. Yeah. I know I'm late to the party, but I ain't rushing. Nah. Still in my towel. Hey. Ha. Disturbing neighbors with the music blasting. La loud. Looking at the mirror, I'm whining. You know I don't care about timing. Drinking my hand, I'm vibing. Doing my makeup for tonight. Looking fly, yeah, I'm whining. You know I don't care about timing. Drinking my hand, I'm vibing. Uber waiting outside. I don't care, I'm still in my towel. Dancing in my towel. Hey. In my Dancing in my towel.
Hey. So that is style by Feli Nuna on all streaming platforms. The video is here.
You need to airdrop me that video.
Yeah, I'll drop it to you. Now let me ask, at the end of the video, what's it? And will be more pressure.
Y'all, no pressure, baby. Because this year, dear,
self-care doesn't mean that disrespect somebody don't respect.
Oh no, it's not. But hey,
we booked appointments at 12 o'clock. About 11:30, my friend, I was say, don't rush. Be in your towel and just like be free. Time your baby now. No.
Ain't on pair quick. If you don't want to waste, go. Cause this, I'm a pass.
Please, your airports. Into the flight between there about 11. Well, I'm sure say Emirates and I say Ethiopia.
Yeah. So it's just about self-care. It's not no disrespect though. So I'm just letting you know. Say sometimes, like, it's good to take care of yourself. It's good to be naughty a little. So if I'm just wasting your time, just go. If you can't wait for me, just go. Okay, because it's no pressure. And yes, nipa ne ho hia me o, na so me ho hia me say nipa no.
You care about yourself more than the person.
Yes. Self-care is not selfish, guys. It's not selfish. So please, just note that.
So what about the idea of you being towel all over the place? Because people are talking a lot.
Yes, and I love it.
And family also.
And family.
Okay.
And family because I know say a good cause may promote it. You know, I'm just this is actually performance art. So you will see a girl in her towel at the mall or on the street, and you'll be wondering, girl, we were border man now. What's going on? Now so whoa, nyansa now person research it. At least okay, baby son say, why is she wearing a towel? Now catch her say, oh wait, self-care and now self-love na me promote it. One say ma bebre or even remember say mu fish shower anymore. You wear your towel and that's the little time you get to spend with yourself. Me boy. Yeah, so then that is just me as an artist trying to capture that moment that we all feel every day.
But towel mostly used like in an enclosed area, private place, I mean, bathroom, bedroom.
Yeah.
Then I mean, you walking around the mall with it.
Yeah, inti I say art, inti art ni.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Okay, are you sure you're good? You're not sipping your wine. Cheers. Cheers to towel, reaching a million views on YouTube.
Yeah.
Shots by RD.
Yeah. So. You walk around in a towel?
Yes, I do, bro.
How? Like, to okay, if now town are the free for you?
Yeah. And I am made there so much. I made so many colors. Even this morning, me shopping for different colors of towels. Like, I think I'll be wearing towels for quite a while.
So you want ladies to also walk around in a towel?
Yeah, if that's what they feel comfortable in, they can do that. But when they do that, they should spread the message. And yes, say oh share towel nikeke, but spread the message, have the meaning in your heart, and extend it to someone else.
I'm trying to read something that I saw. Do you know George Britton?
He said something, because Kubi told me that George Britton said something, but he will deal with it later. He will speak about it later. But you just tell me, because I asked him. Kubi is my blogger.
Okay. Why will an artist dress like this to a radio interview? What happens after the 2 days trend?
After the 2 days trend, I don't even think it will trend for 2 days because it's been trending for more than 2 days. So,
not literally, but I mean after the trend. He means after the trend. What next?
What next is she'll continue to release music. She'll continue to push out like crazy concepts and just continue to stand for something. And continue to excel.
Okay. Yeah. Is this trend helping Feli?
Well, first of all, it's not. I don't focus on the trend.
Okay.
Yes, I don't focus on the trend. I'm just doing what I love and what I'm passionate about. If this is what is promoting the song, what is pushing the song, then yeah, so be it. But people can continue to talk because me, I like it. It's just doing wheel. Yeah.
Where did they go soon?
No, and yet they do a farmer soon. Once like just passes.
Have you received any good vibe, good comments or reaction on your
yes. People actually understand the movement, and that's all that fuels me. You know, in this world, everything you do, people will talk about it. If I wasn't wearing a towel and I was wearing some other outfit to some station, because I say, she jeans cry or shit, and now she shirts we cry fake, and they will talk about everything. So it's about you doing what you love. Yeah, and once you're not hurting anybody, once you stand for something good and something positive, you're not wrong.
She has a new one, our friend Tao. Her first song released under ODG record.
No, second song.
Under
First
ODG.
one was Wanted. So guys,
Okay.
go check that out. Wanted featuring Henry X, produced by renowned SA producer Heavy K. Yes, it's an Amapiano Afro house song. So go check it out.
We saw Nikki. I saw my girl, my friend, girl Asante.
Gifty.
Gift Asante.
Gifty.
I saw other people in the video.
Yeah, Ifya Womu.
Nocturna.
Mishi, if you're Nocturna Womu, Mishi Womu, Nikki Samonas Womu, Gifty Womu, Nadia Jima Womu, Drew Merida Womu, Christabel Leke Womu, who else? Aram Womu. So you know it's a movement, and they totally loved it. Okay. They loved it because me send or no, and then me send or no, right? And I told them the concept about the video and how I wanted it to be empowering for girls. They jumped on it and they loved it, and even made me, and these are girls I already admire in the industry, so it's made me even get closer to them as sisters, and I really love that.
Okay. Did you approach somebody to do that video for you? Emano Awanye? I've heard certain names.
Yeah. Oh, I can't mention names. I won't mention names.
Should I mention names for you?
Because they are not in the video.
Should I mention names for you?
Okay, you can mention, but I won't mention because they are not in the video, so I'm not going to.
But will you say yes if you say yes?
Yes.
But I know people.
Say it. I'll let you know. Me, I'm an open book, and as much as I like my privacy, if it's true, I'll tell you. Yeah. Yes.
So,
Zion.
how is it going for you after ODG signed you?
It's going well. I'm happy. I'm more happy now because I'm on the road. I'm putting out music, and that's all I've ever wanted. This is when I feel like myself. So yeah. I wasn't so happy when I wasn't putting out music because people thought I'm not serious and I'm just trying to just have fun and I'm not focused on my career. But no, I was in the studio, I was working, and I'm happy that now I get to show people my work.
What are you doing? Are you doing rap?
So I'm an Afro pop musician. I do popular African music, and it's an Afro pop or pop music is a fusion of all genres of music, and that's me. I like to be versatile, so I sing and I rap. So expect different types of songs, and I like to play with different concepts, different sounds, and work with different people from all around the globe. So yeah, that's it. I'm just a musician, and you keep seeing different stuff from me because I released an Afro house, I'm a piano jam first, and then now I'm releasing something that's like Afro Caribbean, Afro pop type vibe. So it would move.
The plans for the year?
I'm gonna have fun. Fun. That's all.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, and make plenty money, and make plenty money, and play shows.
Any collaborations this year?
Yes. I'm working on my album actually. I'm just putting a few finishing touches. I have some international artists on my album. So Towel is the first single of the album. Okay. We'll release another single, and then I'm sure we'll release the album. So
Kota by when?
Maybe year end, but I won't say I'm saying no pressure, so I don't want to pressurize myself. I'm just taking things a day at a time. Yeah, so however it pans out, God should make it happen.
Okay, I wish you all the best.
Thank you. I wish you all the best too. I'm really excited to be here. Thank you for having me on
Zionfelix.
Zionfelix.
I mean, I've always known her from Beehive. Nah.
Yes.
Or more North Legon.
Yeah, you've always
Okay,
supported the brand, and I'm so happy that I get to share this platform with you. Please keep promoting me.
I did for you now.
Please keep promoting me. I'm so grateful.
In the Emaniko Enko Fratao for your video.
Monko towel challenge is out to patron from
dashing money.
Yes, so we are giving up to 10,000 Ghana cedis. Someone just 1,000 Ghana cedis last Friday. So
every week one person.
Every week. No, sometimes we might even give 3,000 in a week or whatever. Like, Charlie, no rules, no pressure. So however we feel the energy we'll give. So I'm seeing amazing videos. Even there was a video we gave 500 each to some people for one of the videos. So we've given out like quite some money. And we did an Instagram live as well on Saturday. I'm sure I'll do another one again this Saturday. So join me on my Instagram live. Follow my Instagram for all updates about me though. But yeah, we gave out Boom Play merch. We gave out money as well. We gave Momo. We gave credits. Like, we're just dashing people things so that they can use
So you
take
paid
care of
me on
themselves.
the Momo?
I did though. That one dear. Like, bro, you had as much we fought it, but still this government, they still passed it. But if you keep focusing on the stress of having to pay e-levy and things like that, right now fuel is so expensive. Like those times to me tough fuel and shimmy, but now I've just let it go because there's really nothing you can do unless the government either they run their course or we do coup and overtake them. So like just go with the flow and just try and make more money so that you can be able to live in Ghana, because right now Ghana they're chain USO.
If today was 2024, would you vote for the government in power?
I can't say, please. It's 2024 come. Hey.
But I'm saying if today was 2024.
If today was it's okay, please.
But if today was 2024,
will you vote? Let me ask you.
I'm doing the question, sister.
I
drove to your house to come and do your question.
You are in my space, and I'm telling you.
If you feel that you question me,
right.
I came here to come and question you. You don't have the right to question me, sister.
Who gave you the rule?
Today was 2024, and they ask you to campaign for them, the ruling government, will you campaign for them?
To campaign for this government?
Yes.
It will be hard, though. It will be hard. But it's to be hard. But I don't know.
Because you're a Votarian?
Oh no, not because of that. No tribalism here.
Because of the things they've done?
Exactly. It's just about the things that they've done. But it has nothing to do with tribalism.
We have to campaign for them because of the track record.
My bread. But yeah, I think the youth is really suffering. The youth is suffering because imagine years ago, Fanta bottle used to be 1 CD 50 pesos, 2 CDs, like three years ago. Right now, Fanta, that bottle that I buy for 3 CDs, is about 8 CDs now. So imagine.
But they say you're also growing, so if you're growing, things will also grow.
No, but they are the government. They're supposed to make sure that things get better for us as we grow, you know. And if cost of living was the same as the like the money that is entering our pockets, you know, if the cost of living was there's a term, you know, if it was balanced, like would be okay. Like if there was money in the system and things were more expensive, then that's okay. But right now there's no money in the system, but things are just going high. And every Christmas things will keep increasing. That's the yawa. So we really need to force. Our government really needs to force for us, please, because it's not easy.
If it's to force, what will you
First
say?
of all, roads help. It's very trivial, but roads make everything easy because the amount of time that an amount of fuel that some car will spend transporting goods to another location will be shortened because at least the road is good. And first of all, my road is not good. That's how come I'm saying road. Hacho. Okay. Road Ninye.
Which part of Hacho? Because Hacho, so many roads.
Hacho Ekomog.
Okay. Yes. Road. From Hacho station down to that place.
Yes.
It is a no. From that total filling station going
Enyekra.
I say Hacho. What else are we going to
Enyekra. Ache. And from time to time, we the people in the area, we contribute and fix the road, but it's not supposed to be our money. So the roads and then youth employment as well. It really needs to be upped. Youth employment and then also our accommodation. 2 years rent now. I say we should be able to pay monthly.
But can people afford that monthly thing? I mean,
Yes.
I see people push that, but it's not easy.
No,
Monthly?
you can do monthly because at least monthly, you know that Charlie, time they come, you go find the money pay. But it's better than you having to go and find so much money to
like
pay for.
20,000 for like a
Exactly,
year,
because
2
how
years.
much do you even make? Then that means you have to go and borrow. Then when you borrow, then your debtors will be chasing you. Then stress. Then you can't take care of yourself. You can't wear your towel. Then everything is going crazy. No. So I think those three things are very paramount now.
I think it's Amayati.
I saw a platform, the Ombeti, definitely.
I think that monthly thing is good.
Yeah, it is. It is.
I'm a landlord. I think it's good to help me to get money like every month.
Yes.
Because we just got 1 year now. But if I get like every month,
you know, it's better. It's better. So everybody wins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
beautiful,
much.
though.
Thank you.
I like a necklace.
And my necklace, it's a Taurus. It's a Taurus. Where is it? Taurus. So it's my sign, a bull.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm a Taurus.
How many
Born in
tattoos?
May. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, okay.
5. And they all mean something. Okay. This is a heart because I love love.
You love love.
I love love.
Like
and
you fall madly in love.
I fall madly in love, and I love people. Like I love everybody to be happy around.
Your broken heart is dangerous.
Yeah. But I'm a strong girl, so I come out winning. This is a black star because of Ghana, and I'm the black star Barbie. So yes, her black star. And then it's a black star, and then this is what's the name? Is the ram? It's an Edinkra symbol.
Okay.
Yes, and it stands for humility and strength.
Okay.
Yes, and then this is also grateful because I like to always remind myself to be grateful, and everything that happens, whether good or bad, if it's good, I celebrate. If it's bad, I learn a lesson from it. So grateful. Yeah, and then this is stay intentional.
Okay.
So it just makes me remember
Focused.
that everything. Yeah, I should just focus and just stay intentional. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Ejo.
And thank you for also watching. She's Feli Nuna on all social media platforms. Search for her. Stream her music on all digital platforms. The video towel is on YouTube. My name is Zionfelix. Bye-bye.